Audi has recently given its electrified Q7 model a facelift, bringing updated battery technology and more efficient driving modes. One of the exciting new features is the availability of all-wheel steering for the first time. This technology allows for an increased degree of safety and comfort, making driving the Q7 even more enjoyable. Additionally, electromechanical active roll stabilization has been added to ensure even more dynamic handling on the road. The Q7 offers two engine options, with the most popular choice being the 3-liter turbocharged V6 engine that delivers 335 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this engine provides a combined fuel economy of 20 miles per gallon. The exterior design has also been reworked, with new front and rear aprons that highlight the strong character of new model. Starting with the front grille, Audi has subtly changed the shape to keep it in line with their latest models. The black optic package on this model gives the grille a sleek gloss black finish. The Prestige model comes equipped with matrix LED headlights, offering excellent lighting at night with dynamic turn signals and customizable daytime running lights. The Q7 sits on 21-inch alloy wheels with a black and dark gray finish, complementing the overall exterior design. The side of the SUV showcases the long body of the Q7, with black optic elements adding a touch of sophistication. Moving to the back, the Q7 maintains its classy Audi look with LED brake lights and a signature design. The taillights feature dynamic turn signals and an aggressive lower fascia with exposed exhaust outlets. The first thing you'll notice is the luxury on board, starting with the seats. The Q7 comes with real leather as standard on every version, standing out from the competition. The Prestige level offers Valcona leather, an upgraded premium leather with nice perforation and a soft and supple feel. These seats have a lot of adjustability, memory seats, and even massaging abilities on the Prestige model. Moving on to the rest of the materials in the interior, you'll find leather, soft-touch plastic, and beautiful open-pore wood trim. The dashboard has a piano black finish that lights up at night with ambient lighting. The overall feel of the interior is luxurious and high-end. Starting up the vehicle, you'll notice the impressive 12.3-inch Audi virtual cockpit, which can display various information and can be customized. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped and heated, with power tilt and telescoping functions. Interior storage is one area where the Q7 lacks, with limited space to store loose objects. The center console is shallow, and there are only a few cup holders and storage areas in the front. However, the interior is well appointed with leather, wood, and high-quality materials throughout. The Q7 comes with a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system with 23 speakers and 1920 watts, providing a fantastic audio experience. The lower display controls the climate settings with a touch capacitive screen and haptic feedback. The main 10.1-inch display handles infotainment functions, including Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. In the rear seat area, you'll find ample space for passengers, with heated rear seats, 4-zone climate control, and plenty of amenities. The third row offers limited space, suitable for small children only. The cargo space behind the third row is decent, with a maximum of 71.6 cubic feet when all seats are folded down. The power-folding third-row seats are a convenient feature, and the loading floor is flat for easy loading. When it comes to driving an Audi, there is a certain level of expectation that comes with the brand: precision, control, and effortless performance. The Audi Q7 is no exception, embodying the DNA of Audi's driving characteristics in every aspect of its design. The Q7 comes with two powertrain options, with the V6 engine being the more powerful choice. With 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, the acceleration feels smooth and powerful. The turbo builds up quickly, providing a quick push that can be felt in the seat. The 0 to 60 time is under 6 seconds, making it a fast and enjoyable ride. The V6 engine also offers a level of refinement that is unmatched. Even under full throttle acceleration, the engine sounds smooth and effortless, adding to the premium feel of the SUV. While the 4-cylinder option is not bad, the V6 is definitely the preferred choice for those looking for a luxurious driving experience. The Q7 is equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission, which provides quick and responsive shifts. Paired with the Quattro all-wheel drive system, the Q7 offers excellent grip and acceleration. When it comes to ride quality, the Q7 Prestige with the air suspension shines. This adaptive air suspension does a great job of soaking up bumps, providing a comfortable and refined ride-in in any driving situation. The individual drive mode allows for customization of the suspension settings, making it easy to find the perfect balance between comfort and performance. All-wheel steering further enhances safety and comfort by reducing the turning radius and increasing manageability at low speeds. The advanced suspension package with electromechanical active roll stabilization and all-wheel steering, further improving the Q7's handling. In addition to its impressive driving performance, the Q7 also offers convenient features such as Remote Park Assist Plus. This feature uses cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors to help drivers easily maneuver the Q7 into tight parking spaces using the My Audi app on their smartphone. In terms of sound levels, the Q7 impresses with its quiet cabin. At 55 miles per hour, the sound level reading is 52 decibels, placing it among the top luxury vehicles tested. The quietness of the cabin adds to the overall premium feel of the vehicle, making it a pleasant environment for long drives. All V6 engines in the Audi Q7 boast a towing capacity of up to 7,700 pounds. This is more than enough to tow campers, horse trailers, and the like. All engines work together with the mild hybrid system, which can improve fuel consumption by up to 470 miles per gallon in customer operation. Its key components are a lithium-ion battery and a belt alternator starter that supplies power to the SUV's 48-volt main electrical system. Between 34 and 99 miles per hour, the Q7 can coast with the engine off for up to 40 seconds when the driver takes their foot off the gas. After braking, the belt alternator starter restarts the 6-cylinder quickly and effortlessly. The start-stop range starts below 14 miles per hour. The latest update in driver assistance systems brings a significant enhancement to the surroundings display, especially in the Audi Virtual Cockpit. The display now showcases a range of advanced features such as lane change warnings, recognition of other road users like trucks, cars, and motorcycles, distance warnings, intersection assistance, and real-time traffic light information, all presented in stunning full HD quality. Moreover, in addition to the new surroundings display, the product upgrade for the Audi Q7 also includes an expanded standard equipment package. V6 combustion engines now come equipped with 19-inch alloy wheels, a gloss package featuring aluminum roof rails, a rear-view camera with Parking Assist Plus, and high beam assist as standard features. The 2025 Audi Q7 is set to make a splash in the luxury SUV market with its impressive starting MSRP of $60,500 for the 45 TFSI Premium model. Model shown is a 2025 Audi Q7 55 TFSI Prestige with optional black optic package and trailer hitch with a starting MSRP of $81,345. It's important to note that prices exclude the $1,295 destination fee, as well as taxes, title, other options, and dealer charges. The actual price of the vehicle will be set by the dealer. The 2025 Audi Q7 offers a luxurious driving experience with a range of options to suit every taste and preference. Don't miss your chance to drive home in one of the most sought-after SUVs on the market today.